Hey man, hello everybody. This is Heman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? So this morning we are having our wash break because we are heading to Toronto. We are now in Ottawa ngayon, and as you could observe, ayun yung mga kasama ko. May tumunog na alarm daw. Kaya yung mga police biglang dumating para to secure the place if it is really or there is really a fire. As what you observe, behind me is actually a maple tree, which is pinaka-famous dito sa Canada. You would never tired seeing that one.
Mount Royal. We come to Montreal. If you come here on autumn we call fall, because after the season over, the leaves changing color, and then it's falling down.
Hey guys, welcome to Ottawa. So Ottawa is the capital city of Canada, and as you could see, ang daming maple leaf dito. And if you come here at the end of October or in between of October and November, that one will change to different colors like red, orange, purple, yellow. But since considering the weather today, it's summer, makikita natin na puro kulay green yung color ng maple leaf today. Ottawa is actually in between of Montreal and Toronto. And here in Ottawa, guys, there are so many embassies here. They consider that one as mainly political government offices. Oh, yeah. Check natin yung yung statue nila. Yung pinakasikat na statue dito sa Canada, which is the horse riding by Elizabeth II. That one. So actually, we are heading to Toronto. We're crossing the border, going to United States of America. Pero we have to explore the Ottawa first before we proceed to USA. And Ottawa means meet friend, because this one is in between or the in between Montreal and Toronto. So kung mapapansin natin itong mga village na to, dito nakatira yung mga minister nila, yung mga head ng government offices nila. So, this is the official residence of the Governor General of Canada. So, yung mga politicians nila, karamihan dito sila nakatira. Guys, that's the maple leaf. That one, yung logo na yan. That logo is actually that one. May mga pine trees din dito, guys. Parang Tagaytay breeze lang. We have a wash break. We're still traveling going to Toronto. Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin. So fresh.
Here is Notre Dame of the Ottawa, Notre Dame. U.S. Embassy coming up. What we call Peace Tower.
Peace Tower.
Yeah. You see on front of you see many people there. They call Centennial Frame. Centennial Frame, right? Yeah, they have fire and water mixed together. So that means telling the Quebec we are one of the united country. So no matter what, we can stick together. We can compromise, we can solve the problem, okay? And surround there, they have so many different symbols of different province, okay?
Oo, no, ang ganda.
Yes. Sa Ottawa pa rin tayo. As we passing through dito sa kalsada nila, puro government building yung mga dinaanan namin. There are some embassies here. Ito talaga yung flabbergasted ka sa itsura niya. It looks like a castle. Guys, welcome to Parliament. And this one, this building looks like so opulent. And we also have another one that look, and you see, we are surrounded by so many expensive buildings. So guys, kung mapapansin natin, there is a fire. So yung apoy na daw yan ay it symbolizes na parang ika-100 years daw ng federation na to. And it was lit by Prime Minister Lester. So guys, maglalakad pa rin tayo, and as you could see in my background, I still have the Parliament Palace, which is dami pa yung nagpapapicture, and I have to go back to the bus. Are you going back to the bus?
No, I go to...
Our tour guide instructed us to, to roam around. And yung mga kasama ko, may mga pinuntahan sila. And the thing is, I want to be alone. Pero I have a problem. I just forget my bag inside the bus. So I have to go back to the bus. And, you know, kunin natin yung gamit natin. Kasi wala akong dalang pera. Alam niyo ba dito sa Canada, napakalaking lugar ang Canada. Iba-iba yung mga cities dito and medyo magkakalayo-layo. Minsan you have to book a flight para makapunta sa ibang city. Like yung ginagawa namin, galing kami ng Vancouver, lumipat kami ng Calgary, tapos from Calgary, sumakay kami ng aeroplano papuntang Montreal. Tapos from Montreal, nag-bus kami papuntang Quebec. Tapos from Quebec, bumalik kami ng Montreal. Tapos from Montreal, pumunta kami dito sa Ottawa. Then from Ottawa, pupunta kami ng Toronto. Guys, sa Canada kasi, hindi masyadong populated yung country nila. Kunti lang yung, unlike sa America, very crowded. Dito, kaya ini-encourage nila yung ibang nationality na mag-immigrant dito o magpa-permanent para dumami sila. Ang daming naturalized dito na mga Pilipino, mga iba't ibang lahi kasi they are open for that. Nagpapadami sila ng population. And do you know that in Canada, dahil din sa sobrang lamig dito, konti lang yung mga tao dito. Unlike sa Pilipinas, very crowded. Konti lang din yung mga sasakyan dito. Konti lang yung mga nandito kasi they know that, mataas kasi yung tax dito. Ito yung mga foreigner may taxi. They charge you for 40% and saan tayo pwede kumain, guys? May Tim Horton yata, naghahanap ako. Sikat yung Tim Horton dito sa Canada. Parang Starbucks ng Pilipinas yun, guys. Kung sa USA, Starbucks yung product kung saan sila kilala. Dito naman sa Canada, they call it as Tim Horton. Did I mention na dito sa Canada, legalize yung paggamit ng cannabis? They make it as a medical purpose. Pwede mong gamitin siya for medical purposes only. Guys, ito, may store dito na bilhan ng cannabis. So they are selling drugs here. Madami yan dito. Kahit nung nasa Calgary ako, madaming store na nagbebenta ng drugs. Ayun yung Tim Horton. Nakita na natin, guys. Since Sunday ngayon dito sa Canada, parang walang masyadong tao. Sarado lahat ng mga government offices, yung mga embassy, at yung mga stores. Karamihan sa mga stores dito, sarado. Wala masyadong tao. So pag weekend talaga sa kanila, wala ka masyadong makikitang bukas or, operational ng mga store. Oh my God, guys. Sarado. Close na. So, yun na nga, guys. Nag-McDonald's na lang tayo. Kasi ito lang yung tanging bukas dito. So, guys, nandito na yung pagkain natin. I just ordered McDonald's burger with iced coffee vanilla. Balik tayo sa meeting venue kasi naghihintay sila sa amin. Dapat 1 o'clock, dapat andun na kami.
A few moments later.
Supreme Court ng Canada, guys. believe it. You see? The Niagara Falls is behind me. Niagara Falls is in one frame. It's in my video frame. I can't believe it. That one.